Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. For today's recipe sharing, it is Indonesian soup, veggie soup, and we call it Sayur Lodeh. It is using Chinese long bean. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! First, we're gonna brown about 300 to 500 gram of ground beef. We're just gonna brown them and then drain from the fat. For the veggies, we're gonna use 1 bag of Chinese long bean and 1 can of green jackfruit and also 2 eggplant. So we're gonna make spice paste from 6 candlenuts, 6 garlic, 2 bird eye chilies and 1 small purple onions. Dump the paste into the used pan with a little bit of the meat grease, or you can totally wipe the meat grease and use peanut oil and about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground coriander, and tiny pinch of galangal powder. And we're gonna cook this or fry it until fragrant. My youngest is coughing in the background because he's jumping on the trampoline. Once it's fragrant, we're gonna drop in our veggies. Then we're gonna add a little water, just enough to boil the veggies. Pour a can or 2 of coconut milk and a couple cans of water, so enough to cover and boil the veggies. Also add in 2 salam leaves. These are Indonesian bay leaves. You can use bay leaf, but bay leaf that available in Canada is pretty strong, so you want to use maybe a small one like so. You can use flavoring such as vegeta powder, if you can find vegeta powder, or vegetable rice, or if you don't have those, roiko in Indonesia, just salt, sugar, and a little bit of MSG if you like. Just adjust the flavoring to your liking. So we're gonna let this come to boil, and then we're gonna add in our brown ground beef and also black beans. When it starts boiling, add in your ground beef that you already browned before and black beans. And keep boiling on low medium heat until long beans tender. This veggie soup is awesome to serve as is and super perfect with warm rice. The way Indonesian will serve it is that we put rice into a bowl or a plate, and then we pour or top the rice with these soup veggies.